What?
I'm gonna look at the new car.
Hold on a second. Damn. Literally sounds like shit.
Look,
It's cold natured.
Still.
look, is it new or used new?
It's brand new.
2013?
2014.
Oh, wow. Nice. Mimi, stop humping the steering wheel. Stop humping the steering wheel. Hey, look. Have you ever seen 21 Jump Street, the movie?
Yes.
Look, it's not so Slim Shady.
Wow.
Hey, it's not so Slim Shady.
Am I going to be watching this on YouTube or Facebook later?
I don't know. Maybe.
Man, damn Bobcat was easier to start.
Oh. What's the temperature? 30 degrees?
Fuck you.
There's a piece of shit truck that you need to get rid of.
Temperature is fuck you.
You need to get rid of this damn thing. Oh, it's your baby. Yeah. I've seen it in its better days after you fucked around with it.
Fuck you.
My goodness.
She'll start for me.
Oh, yeah. And you rely on this every single day? Going to work?
Occasionally. On occasion.
Jesus. Sounds like it's gonna blow up.
Boom.
Are you pumping it? Giving it gas too? Well, do that. Why? Why? Now pump it when you're trying to start it.
Oh, bad girl. Bad.
Oh, it's smoking too.
It does that.
Phew.
It's carbureted.
It's the worst carbureted engine I've ever seen. Damn.
It's because I have a manual mechanical choke. It runs off the air temperature. It's got one of those springs in there, like on your thermometer, the old style thermometers.
Yes.
Yeah, as it gets going, the choke slowly comes off.
When this goes on YouTube, I want to see how many people post comments about it. This is gonna be neat.
Actually, you know what? I do too. Did you see Chris? Did you stay at Christie's yesterday?
Yeah. Damn.
Come on.
Gone on almost 6 minutes.
Come on, be a good girl. You're being a bad girl. I'm gonna spank you. That got dirty, didn't it?
Yeah, they did.
Where's the ether?
Huh? Ether.
Where's the ether?
You might as well get it. Wow. And it's not that cold out.
It's temperamental.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's a woman. You should know how that goes.
That thing is not a woman.
And you are?
Oh, shut up.
I haven't seen you in a while. I get to torture you a little bit.
Yeah, you do.
It is good to see you, though. It really is. All right, squeeze your ass in there.